In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same to the other one you need. And when you're ready, access background apps. Now decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Select split screen. Tap on the second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at once. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button, or simply swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!